If you are wondering if you have to purchase a power adapter for your POCO X8 Pro Max, then the answer actually depends on a couple of things. So if you are wondering if you can find a power adapter inside the box, then the answer also depends, this time on where you live. So if you live in, let's say, Europe, United States, or generally speaking a country where power adapters are no longer included for smartphones, then this is exactly the same case. You will not be able to find a charger. So in this case, I have purchased this phone in Europe and the power adapter is not included. But if you live in a country or a region where power adapters can still be found inside boxes of smartphones, then in this case you should be able to find a power adapter. So for example, in some Southeast Asian countries you can still find power adapters, so in here you can probably find as well. The best way to verify that is of course by looking at the back of the box. Over here you can find this graphic if the power adapter is not included. And if that is not really your concern, but if you are wondering if you can use, for example, a power adapter that you used for your previous device, then in that case, most likely it is yes. So if you have a USB power adapter, then it's going to work with POCO X8 Pro Max. For example, I have a Realme power adapter, it works just fine. If you have a power adapter made by another brand, then it's going to work without any issues whatsoever. However, one thing that you have to consider is of course the cable, because if you want to use the original cable, it is USB-A to USB-C, so you need to find a power adapter that has port for this USB cable. And of course, if you already have a cable that fits your power adapter and of course it has USB-C on the other end, then you can just use it without any issues whatsoever. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.